Alright, I just took this drum machine back in on a return because the buyer says that this down button doesn't work, which is, you see, it takes a little extra hard press to get it to work. The up is about the same, he didn't mention that. But what I want to do is today show you if I can use my Deoxit D5 that I'm such a fan of to get it to work again a little bit easier, because I wanted to resell this and I don't feel like getting it back again for the same problem. So let's see what we can do. Deoxit is great because you can spray it right into the buttons. Because I'm Johnny Dangerous, though my name is Paul, I'm just gonna like work it into these switches and these buttons. So right now I'm not getting any difference with it. I keep the spray adjusted to low. I'm gonna jam on this button for a while. The big thing is with Deoxit is you gotta let it break up some of the junk, and then there's also that manual using the button to help it break up the junk. See, at this point, now with the plus button, I'm already getting to the point where it was a little bit easier tapping it. And the down button, oh, look how easy that is now. Up easy, down easy. I'm gonna work it. See, with Deoxit, it loosens up all the corrosion and the dirt. So you gotta work the button or whatever it is you're playing with. So this button looks like it's willing to work super easy now. But there are still some moments where it gets a little sticky. So I'm gonna let it settle in. From the beginning of this video, it's a very easy process now to press these buttons and see them work. Up is still a little tough. I'll probably work on it a little bit more. See, there's a couple, like I'm just tapping it, it's not working. If I give it a good push, it works fine. Anything that a reasonable person should be able to live with. I also have Deoxit G1000L gold. It's got a needle applicator on it. So I'm just going to drop a little bit of this. Super fine applicator too. Get some directly into the, look at the buttons up and out of the way. And this stuff, I know what you're thinking, it's a liquid. What am I doing? But it's perfectly safe for electronics. Now after using the G1000, you can see it's even gotten easier with the up button. There. Down, the down button is super easy now. I think it's more that the button gets pressed on the outside. So anyway, conclusion, the Deoxit D5 and the Deoxit G1000 both work really well in getting these buttons to work. Unfortunately, I did take the hit on return shipping with this item, but now that I know it works well, I can resell it, get that money back, and I'll probably charge a little bit more for it this time because it sold quickly the first time, and I'll come away still in good shape. So even though I took a return gracefully, I'm going to come out on top. Thank you very much for watching.